what it is. What's up? Got your subscription in the cut. Welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. Today, by the title, you already know that we are going to be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Fun. Hopefully my skin doesn't hate me, which it probably will. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media handles. And if you're a returning viewer, then what it is, how you doing, what up? And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with eyebrows, which is what I usually normally do. I already moisturized my face. Let's pray. This doesn't come with a spoolie, so that's fun. I mean, you can't say that it's not pigmented.
Yeah, some smooth shit for y'all. Just to show y'all some shit, you know what I'm saying? It's Jackson the Great. Yeah. 412. You broke my heart, now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you...
That's a bushy brow. That is a very bushy and black brow. That just kind of just like threw me off, I'm not gonna lie. So the next product that I'm gonna use is the LA Colors Contour Stick in the shade Light. This is the only thing that I found for concealer.
Fell for me, remember that time that I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me. Go from a nap and you...
This is literally just like wax. It's not... You know the Wi-Fi. Wow, I want to cry. This is so ugly. I'm gonna use a concealer brush. Maybe that will make things a little bit better.
And you shoot me a text, yeah, that's how it goes. Can we chill for the night? And I say that's a bet, yeah, say that's a bet. I knock on the door and you open it up, yeah, open it up. You looking at me like you trying to have sex, yeah. I said we up all night, hell yeah.
This concealer's so bad. I'm going to take the Smoothing Face Primer in the shade Cool Pink.
Yeah, we just talking, we started off as friends. Yeah, we started off walking, you reaching for my dick. Hell yeah, why you talking? But then we go.
It smells good. Wow, this was a lot. I feel like Flex, when he played Michael Jackson in that movie. Okay, first of all, you gotta go. I love hoops, but you're affecting me. They gotta go. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Liquid Makeup. Flawless Looking Skin helps even skin tone, and this is the shade Tan. That's actually the darkest one that they had. And I'm gonna use a silicone blender. I've never used a silicone blender before, so let's see. Let's have at it.
And fuck, now you smiling so soft. You broke my heart, now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you fell for me. Remember that time that I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me.
Feels like a breast implant on my face. Why did people like this at any point in time? Okay, I'm gonna use my brush.
We questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me. Crazy, so crazy, so crazy, so crazy, yeah. So crazy. This the shit that we go through, yeah. Choosing a bitch, but she fucking old dude, yeah. And your people like I could've told you, yeah. This ain't the time to get on that. I'm bossing up, chasing a big bag, rocking design.
It's like it's not giving me any coverage whatsoever. And it's just making me look light as a ghost. Okay, now that I look like a ghost, like Casper's twin sister, I'm gonna go in with that concealer again.
I know switch that. Was stepping on me, now that bitch, man. Yeah, bitch, man. Was stepping on me, now that bitch, man. Yeah, fuck her. Let's go. You broke my heart, now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you fell for me. Remember that time that I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me. If I see you in person, don't look at me. Closing my eyes, it's a lucid dream. Looking at you feel like deja vu. Remember how you was mad at me. But now, I'm treating you like a little setback. Ain't no rebound, just go ahead.
Am I beautiful? So I got another contour stick in the shade medium to contour my face.
No rebound, just go ahead, get that. Now I'm rocking the room for them big stats. Feel the pain that I felt in my heart, now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you fell for me. Remember that time that I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me. Now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you fell for me. Remember that time that
This is their setting powder.
I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me.
Now let's go into the moment that I've low-key been dreading. Eyeshadow. They brought this little applicator thing. So I'm gonna try to use it. If not, then don't kill me. I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna put that in my crease.
Jason the Great, yeah. That nigga Dino in this bitch. 412.
So now I'm gonna take this champagne-y almost color and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Fallout Queen, we love it.
Yeah.
Dino ate it again.
And I'm also gonna take this kind of like rustic brown, reddish almost, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner. So now I'm gonna take the LA Colors eye marker in blue.
Yeah. Some smooth shit for y'all. Just to show y'all some shit, you know what I'm saying?
This bronzer, LA Colors bronzer in the Bronze Beauty. Whoa, that's really shiny. Hate this. The powder brush with a velvety finish in the shade Toast. I feel like a tia chismosa. Now I'm gonna use the highlight in the shade Shine Bright. I just feel like I look really clowny. This is chalky. Setting spray. That literally just came out.
It's Jason the Great. Yeah. 412. You broke my heart, now I'm singing these melodies. Remember that time that you fell for me. Remember that time that I fell for you. The next thing that came was jealousy. Remember that time that you questioned me, asking me shit like, what is we? Questioning me like, who digging you? But letting you go is best for me.
Okay, so I went ahead and put on my lashes. Let's do a rundown. Foundation was a no. Primer was a no. Concealer was a hell no. Bronzer was more of a highlight. Highlight was chalky AF. Blush was alright. Eyeliner was a yes. Eyeshadow was okay. Loose powder was The eyebrows, the lip gloss was okay. The lip liner was okay. Overall, it was a fail. Like, I just feel like there's a whole bunch of stuff on my face, but there's no coverage. Like, you could still see my dark circles. You could still see this big ass third cheek, my third eye. Like, you could just see all of it. And I look cakey as fuck, and not in the good way, cakey. Don't you like my don't. But yeah, this is the final look. It's not that bad. It's just not good. If you guys liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media handles. If you want more videos like this where I test out makeup from like Dollar General, Walmart, Target, whatever. If you want another Dollar Tree video, let me know because I still have to try this buddy out. So if you want to see this, then like down below and comment. Follow me on all my social media handles. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.
And up and you shoot me a text. Yeah, that's how it goes. Can we chill for that?